Invite people on Discord. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then you come to this page, and here what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots in the of the top right corner, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the invite in the under the your name. You can see in this tab you have to click on the invite, and then you come to this page, and here you can see your link. So you can share your link with your friends in your social media and social media handles, so your social media accounts like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, in your story. So you can do this. And one settings you also have to do is you have to you can see this link, and in the right side of this link you can see the settings. You have to click on this, and then expire after. You can see the expire after option. You have to click on the no limit, and then so that's it. And after that you can choose on the so that's it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate